Laminate lang natin dito sa Mambaha ang ating business permit para mag-display natin sa bahay. So ngayon pupunta tayo sa coffee shop. Okay guys, so we're now here at the Saga Coffee Shop. So isa to sa mga recommended coffee shop dito sa Camiguin. So we're just gonna check it out. Private? Saan pwede mag-park? Doon lang sa labas lang. Akala ko pwede tayo sige, mag-park lang sa labas. Hindi pala sa kanila to. So, hindi pala sa kanila yung place na yun. So, dito tayo nag-park. Sa tapat nila. So, ito na tawag nila dito yung Saga Specialty Coffee Camiguin. So, as you can see, napaka-simple lang ng kanilang lugar, nothing special. Pero I heard magasarap to yung coffee nila dito. So, we're gonna try it. We're gonna try. Anong bestseller niya?
Right. Sir, for the coffee, we have the sea salt foam latte, non-coffee is horchata, and then the matcha is matcha extract.
Pala silang food here. Ay, ba't baliktad? At asan?
That's the sriracha. Yes, yes. You can get it.
Let's check out. So, ito yung mga bestseller nila. So, ito yung in-order ko, yung non-coffee. Which is called horchata. Horchata. Asan ang food nila? Ito. So, they also have like the typical tapa. Diyan. Strawberry pancakes. Do you have pancakes? Nabawa na. Kumain na ako kanina. So, the pancake na lang. Sorry, pancake. Strawberry lang yung pancake, no? That's it. So lang yung pancake. Sige, yun na lang.
Pancakes go with strawberry jam.
Jam. You don't have any other, like
We have French toast if you want some.
French toast. That's it na lang. Sige, thank you.
One strawberry pancakes and then the horchata.
Yeah, so we're gonna, how much?
Do you want your horchata first or together with the
Well, you can serve whichever, you finish first.
So one horchata and then strawberry pancakes for here. Your total is 400.
Okay. The place looks like this. Oh, that horchata. What do you call that again? Horchata.
Horchata. It's a
Horchata.
Mexican drink.
It's a Mexican drink. And so look at the place. It's a simple place now. Pero what I heard about this place is that yung drink mismo nila yung masarap. So maybe not the most aesthetic na place, pero let's try their drink. Yung sarap nito guys, in fairness. Nagulat ako sa lasa, ang sarap. One of the best, I think. So, sa lahat ng mga napuntahan natin na cafe, ito yung pinaka-simple lang yung place. Like, normal coffee shop lang siya. Yan na, tables and chair. Pero, in fairness sa kanila, sa lahat na order ako na coffee, sa kanila yung pinakamasarap. So, kumaga, siguro pupunta ako, babalik ako ng Utopia tsaka ng Beehive for the ambience. Pero, babalik ako dito for the coffee. So, kung mahilig kayo sa coffee, dito ako pumunta. Pero kung gusto niya ng may view, Utopia, Beehive. Yun, so far yun. Pero may tatry pa tayo ibang coffee shop. So, tingnan natin how it's gonna fare. Guys, look at the pancake. So, it's a pancake and then they have, I think this is maple syrup or honey. I don't know. And then they have the strawberry jam. So, let's try it. Okay, so babalik na tayo kasi nagpunta naman ako dito to talaga yung ano ko. Para magpalamig.